coming. He's right here. Keep coming. He's... Matthew, just stay right down there. The cops are right there. There goes the deputy sheriff's. He's driving right by. Bridge. So Matthew, hurry up, get up. I think I should take him back to the room. Mr. Charmelot's guy. Actually, he had to go rescue him. He saw him down there over the cliff.
That's one of 7 4s. What's going in?
Where y'all found that guy?
He was down there. He jumped over and went and got him.
Wait a minute, take my picture with that guy.
All
All right.
You want your picture with him?
Yeah. One of 7 4s.
I'm actually taking a video right now.
The leprechaun.
That guy wouldn't be too bad if we cleaned up a little bit.
Oh, we're taking him home.
Oh, y'all.